Hello everyone, this is soft close mechanism, soft close motor that comes with BMW X5. Mine is 2012 model. This was making a broken gear sound, so I took it out and checked what's going on. I had to break it because it's glued with tough glue, so it was very difficult to take it out. You can see there are a few clips also. Here there is one clip and here is another. Then there are other locks like 1, 2, 3 and one was here, so it was like 3, 4 locks also. So basically you need to put flathead screwdriver in between and pop it out. It's really difficult and for sure it will break the body. You can see it's already broken in here, but still you can use it if you get the proper gear, which has been broken. See here, it's all broken. I'll show you. I'll just open it up. Alright, this is already opened body, and just for demonstration purpose only, you can see this is the gear coming. This is for pulling the lever, and this is the gear which helps to rotate and move it in. So mine, this gear is broken. This looks quite decent. This gear is intact, no problems. This is the broken one. You can see it's broken from the middle, and the gear, one of the teeth is gone. So this one is slipping, and see here there is a big gap. So that's the main problem with this module. So if you get this gear, you'll be able to repair it, or else this is a junk, no use. The PC board looks pretty decent. It's coated with environmental protection thing, so you don't have to worry about the PC board. It won't break. And this is just like the FR module, and it's completely protected from environment. And this one, I have measured the size. The width of this teeth is 7 mm. The height from here till the wall, from here till here, is 17 mm. So this one is 7, and the extra comes for this upper gear. Then the diameter of this gear is 13 mm, and diameter of the whole gear is 36 mm. I will list this in the description. Number of teeth in the middle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there should be 11 teeth straight, and this one is cross gears. So that's it. I hope this will not break, so you don't have to worry about that. And the other problem is, like, I'll show you in the next one. You see this particular screw, this one holds to the door. So usually this one breaks. This is rubber type plastic, so it breaks because people are just ignoring how to close the door. So when they push hard, this is really heavy, so it breaks. You can see this one is broken. I'll take it out to show you. Oh my god. this is a broken piece. You see this? It should be just like this. It has been broken, and this is a common problem. If you hear the sound of closing and if the door is not closing by itself, then this is the cause. So what you have to do is just remove it. Remove this particular bolting system. Just take it out. Like, this is the bolting system. Just take it out and replace it with a longer one. Longer means at least of this size. I hope it is like 5. I will just measure it. So it should be at least 34 or 35 mm length. If you have a bolt with 35 mm and a locking nut with it, you can just replace it. You see, it's a hole, so you can just put a big one, longer one, and bolt it to the door. So once you do this, this will work perfectly. If you are hearing the sound of the motor working, or the door is trying to close but it's not able to close properly, then just replace this one with a longer one. You don't have to spend too much money on this one. So I did it and it was working on one of my car, so that's the reason I made it video. Now the next problem is that I have one of the door which is not closing and it's making gear sound. So I need to find online if I can buy this particular gear. If I could buy, then I'll post in this one itself later on. If no, there's no luck, so I have to replace the entire system itself just for this broken gear. Now if this particular bolt is broken, then the third problem which may occur is that if you close the door and if it doesn't make any sound, or if it doesn't try to close it, you see two connectors. One is the small one and the other is the big one. The big one is reliable, it's for the power supply directly to the motherboard, and the small one comes for the sensors. So there are 3 connections to this one. You can see, just focus inside, you can see 1A and 3. There are 3 connections in there. This is the pin that goes in, and not actually pin, it's a plug. So normally this one get a cut. The 3 connectors just goes off because it's having very like not good wires. The wires commonly break off. So now I did is I just soldered it with new wires and just wrapped it. But this is not the proper way to do it. If you can, just solder it properly, or buy 3 pins that can go directly to these connectors and connect it directly, and then wrap it with something or glue it with something so that it doesn't come out, and just leave some extra wire so that it won't happen again. So I'm gonna do that. This was my preliminary experiment and it worked out properly, so I'm gonna do that way. I will check in market if something else available like that. I need a pin of this size. I need to check for that, or else I will just plug in big cables 1 by 1 and just wrap it with something, or a silicone or something like that, to fit in properly without getting a loose connection or something like that. All right, so I'm gonna do that. So you guys go for the simple solution. So if it makes sound, you don't have to worry, just replace this bolts with a longer bolt and a nut, bolt and nut, better. So that's it. Hope this will help someone. I had 3 cars with the same problem, and from the garage they asked me to replace the gear system itself, sorry, the motor itself. So I was not ready to do that. I took the door pad out and checked what's going on. Then only I found out that the solution is simple. Only one of the motor lost its gear. Other three are fine. So I'm gonna just put it back. If possible, I'll make a video and post it.